Hey there, if you have watched my kitchen makeover, this is kind of continuation. So for the kitchen makeover to be completely done, I have two parts remaining, only one hapo chini ya sink, and this is a spice rack that I'm making because I realized after the makeover I didn't have a place to put my spices. So thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you enjoy such kind of content, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe before you leave. And kindly, I will appreciate if you watch this video up to the end. So let's begin with the video. Basically, I'm using some wood leftover. If you decide to do a project like this one, you will have to skip the whole first part hiyo ya kujoin kila kitu, because you will have all your pieces together. But for me, since I'm using this leftover, and also it's a good way to utilize some of the materials that you have and create something good out of it. The idea is to make something like a staircase so that I can be able to access all the containers easily. First, I'm going to make the base frame, then attach the first shelf, then the other steps I will attach as I go. I'm just going in with wood filler to fill all the spaces kwenye zina meet or any other space that is visible. Yeah. I'm going to sand the whole piece down just to smoothen the surface. Also, I don't know why my sandpaper pad keep falling, but this sandpaper is like, I don't know, some months old. I've only used it in a couple of projects, but already you can tell the sandpaper pad penye lafaa attach, it's already worn out. I don't know if it is the brand or I'm using it the wrong way. Hapo bado sijajua, but yeah, if the sandpaper is not working, we will still use our sandpaper peke yake. With this project, I'm avoiding going in with black, so I won't paint it black for now. I'm just going to stain it. Then as time goes by, I may settle in with a different color and I will paint it. So thank you guys so much if you have watched this video up to this far. Also remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, comment, and finally this is how the spice rack looks like. I'm still falling in love with the stain, but very functional, very simple, and see you in the next video. Bye.